Good night. My name is Angela Garcia. Today I'm going to explain you about some characteristics of speech sounds and the international alphabet, IPA. To start, we have some criteria that we start to talking about. The first one is the introduction to IPA. Second one, phonology and phonetics, and some examples about them. And in the end, an interactive video explaining some rules about the international alphabet, and after that some little examples that you understand better. Okay, to start, the sounds of English and the international phonetic alphabet. We can check the sounds and phonemes using in the English language. We have British and American phonemes with some specific symbols that you can check in this part. We have different sounds and pronunciation words. We have some examples about vowels in this part and about consonants. So for example, we have some different symbols that you can identify depending with the word, and the another one you have depending if it's a vowel or if it's a consonant. So for example, we have different and many examples, but I try to explaining three of them. So for example, the first one, it's with a symbol that it's with cap and lock. In that case, it's with the articulation and with your lips, you can pronounce with a, cap, lock. The another one that we have in that part is the sound when you say cut, black. Yeah, this is the sound of this vowel. The another one that is that it's a vowel, but it's closer. That is met or bet. The another one that we have, it's for example, the consonants with the sound of the consonant. So for example, we have B, D, and F. Bat, lap, did, lady, fine, or if. If you can check or if you listen very well, this is some examples about the sounds and the pronouns depending with the vowels and consonant in the international APM. In the second part that we have to talking about is according with phonology and phonetics. Remember that this is connected about with the international alphabet, IPA, and this is depending with that. Remember that the phonology is the study of speech sounds of a language or languages. That is the composition and combination of a speech sound. When you have to join the different words and you have to communicate with this. Remember, the phonetics is the study of a speech sound and the production or acoustic qualities when you have different words or different phonemes. But remember that the word can change in a majority of time the meaning, but the word can be sound equal. Like for example, when you say sit, the phoneme is E, but the writing is different because it's S E A T. But the sound when you have, for example, with sit is the same, but the word is different. When you say S-I-T, that is the verb. When it's important that you continue with this explaining with a little video about this. Pay attention.
Today, I'd like to introduce you to a very special
If you can see, this is some examples about the pronunciation of the phonemes. That it's with depending with the letters in that case. Lyrics is GH is like a sound F, and O is like a sound E, and T is like a sound sh. What is this? The pronunciation. Okay, I hope that you understand very well, like a proper meaning about international APA and some characteristic and explanation about phonology and phonetics. Thanks for your attention. Bye.